From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And good evening, everybody. Student meteorologist Ryan Breton here from the Campus Weather Service with an important update on the storm impacting Pennsylvania just before 6 o'clock. A wintry mix of precipitation around the state, snow in the northeast, rain in the southwest, and a messy mix in between. And that's what we are in here in Happy Valley at the current time. Taking a look over the Penn State campus, of course, at about 4 o'clock, campus announced they'd be closing for the afternoon and evening. And we have a layer of snow and sleet out there. It's an icy mess in State College, and with the announcement that Penn State would be closing early, it's turned into a mess on some area roadways, including Park Ave. Take a look over the Arboretum. Quite a bit of traffic occurring on Park Ave right now, and that's also been the situation on some roadways downtown. It's only 25 degrees in State College, though, and the issue is that we have a mix of sleet and freezing rain. So we're nowhere near freezing, so we are in for several more hours of icy conditions here in central Pennsylvania. Take a look at the temperatures around the area. It's 28 in Altoona, 30 in Huntington, 31 in Johnstown, and 34 in Indiana. So there are already some signs of milder air moving into central PA, but it's going to take quite a while to get through the valley and into State College. It's 25 here, 37 in Pittsburgh. So there is a ways to go, and it probably will take through the evening hours for the temperature to get near or above freezing here in Happy Valley. Here's the current radar picture. Blue is snow, the pink is sleet, purple is freezing rain, the green is rain. So we have a variety of precipitation types around the state right now, snowing steadily in eastern parts of the state. This is the sleet zone, though, around I-81 through Reading into Williamsport as well. But now we are into more of a mix of sleet and freezing rain here in State College at this time. That's continuing all the way down toward Altoona on 99 as well. You have to get on the other side of the Laurel Highlands, really, to get out of this freezing rain, and that's what we're dealing with here in Happy Valley right now. Rain down here through southwestern Pennsylvania. This is where temperatures are near or above freezing. There are still lingering slick spots in here, especially in Johnstown and especially down towards Somerset as well. So even once we begin to rise near or above freezing, it's still quite cold at the ground, so it's going to take some time for those roadways, especially the untreated ones, to become safe for travel this evening. Again, here's a loop of the precipitation overspreading Pennsylvania through the course of the day today. There is more down here to our south and west, though, and this is associated with a cold front that is going to be moving toward Pennsylvania. And a little wave of low pressure will develop along that and actually cause more precipitation tomorrow into Thursday in Pennsylvania, and it will be cold enough for more snow in many areas. A winter weather advisory is in effect for much of the state, but for north central Pennsylvania, northern Center County, we have winter storm warnings in effect for tonight for a longer period of icing this evening. It will take longest for these areas to rise above freezing tonight. Additionally, we have a winter storm watch for tomorrow into Thursday morning for the southern half of Pennsylvania, and this is for that second round of precipitation, which will come in later tomorrow and Thursday in the form of mostly or all snow. First, here is a look at the ice projection this evening. Much of central Pennsylvania on the heavy side in terms of the ice. It takes a while for sleet to pile up, but I think that many areas could see at least a tenth to even a quarter inch of sleet or ice accumulation through the evening. And it is north central Pennsylvania under that winter storm warning where we may have up to a half an inch of ice accretion this evening. Let's take a look at how this plays out on our weather models. Through the evening, again, 8 o'clock, we're still below freezing, still dealing with sleet and freezing rain here in State College. But by morning, we should rise near or above freezing, and then the story turns to that second system that develops and moves into Pennsylvania tomorrow afternoon into Thursday, and we could have periods of snow, especially tomorrow night and Thursday in southern parts of Pennsylvania, especially south of I-80 and in southeastern parts of the state, and that's where we could see several inches of accumulation from this second round into Thursday morning. An early estimate on that, a couple of inches in central PA, several inches farther to the south, and there are many areas that could see over 6 inches if everything plays out the way we see it right now, especially in southern Pennsylvania. We will have full updates on that during the day tomorrow. A quick look at the 7-day forecast shows that if you're traveling for the weekend, we really don't have any concerns here in State College. In fact, we'll be above freezing both Saturday and Sunday. Stay safe this evening and follow us on Twitter at PSU Weather for important updates.